Okay, quick little video about the Koehler Memoirs sink. I got this sink used. I'm in the middle of a remodel. Anyways, it was like $40. It was a good price for the sink. They were built pretty tough, good quality, good craftsmanship overall. It's like a $800 sink, brand new. I think that's just for the pedestal, not including hardware. Anyways, so for $40 I got her, and the cartridge, this guy here, was the bane of my existence. It was leaking, and I could not for the life of me find a guaranteed replacement fit. Nothing listed it as actually being a for sure replacement for this, and Kohler does not make it anymore. I think this whole line is discontinued. So if you need a cartridge that will for sure leak-proof fit this, I looked for days. I couldn't find anything for sure. Then my buddy that wasn't even looking for a sink found what I needed. It is a Danco 04999E stem for Pegasus or Glacier Bay. And there's all the numbers for it, and that's about as much as I can give you. I'm sure you can find it on various sites. But yeah, that sucker there, obviously get the cold or hot one depending on which side you need. That sucker there is I assure you, a perfect fit, leak-proof, dead-up replacement. It looks slightly different color-wise, but overall, it has the notches. It doesn't have the threading on the sides. The top handle stem deal is the same, and I've swapped mine out, and it went in perfect. And I had a hell of a time finding this, so I don't usually do videos like this. I just want to throw that out there for the next poor guy that is having the same problem, because this stuff, oh man, about drove me out of my mind. Good luck.